Hi guys, so today is the first day after the hurricane storm that we've gone out. Well, Ben tried to take the car out, but the roads were flooded, so we couldn't get out. We were stuck in our little neighborhood. So this is the first day out, and looking around in our area, it's not too bad. There's some damage to the properties, but so far it's not too bad that we can see in our area, and I know that other areas have suffered greatly. Anyways, today is day 18 of the Cleanse and Restore Challenge, so please comment below, tell me how you're doing. But today I just wanted to share one small message, and the message is to be positive, and how we do that is to have gratitude. So gratitude helps us have an outward mindset. I was drilled to do this when I was younger, because you know, when you're a kid, you look around and you want to have whatever everyone else has, right? The toys and the whatever. And my dad used to remind me that, you know, we are so blessed. Our family has been so, you know, abundantly blessed, right? And we need to see how other people are not as blessed, like his family in Vietnam, and be really grateful for what we currently have. So that's the secret, right? Anyways, so my challenge to you is to have 3 things that you're grateful for every day. Just list out 3 things that you're grateful for, okay, for about 21 days. That's how long people say that it takes to build a habit, right? So today, just list out 3 things that you're grateful for, okay? So I'm going to list out my knowledge of the gospel, okay, of Jesus Christ, my family, all right, and my freedom. So I'm really grateful for those things, and every day you can list out 3 more things, and it can be the breath, the air, the home, the clothes that you have, just even the littlest things, all right? And over time, you'll find that your body will be able to metabolize sugar better, and you'll feel lighter, okay? You'll let go of the heavy stuff, and you may feel like you are healthier, okay? Because your body's producing a lot more happy chemicals. So Benjamin, I know you're driving, but you want to list out 3 things that you're grateful for?
What? Okay. Hello everybody.
Putting him on the spot.
We're on our way to
pay attention to the
spend
road.
some time together.
Yes, this is our Friday
It's
day.
our weekly time together, so I'm grateful for Jade. She's pretty good. I'm grateful for our freedom. We live in a free country.
Yeah,
and
we do.
we're able to, you know, operate our own business and everything. So that's really cool. Something to be grateful for.
Yeah.
I'm grateful for, I guess, God and spirituality and you know, knowledge and intelligence.
Yeah.
I kind of shoved 6 things in there. So is that cheating?
Yep, no, that's fine. Thank you so much. Yes, we are on our weekly date now. You know, it's a nice time to be alive, to be able to help people, and you know, we can still be grateful for a lot of things. So my friends, I'm going to challenge you to be grateful. You can comment below about all the things that you're grateful for, okay? And I look forward to reading your comments. Whoa, the bumpy road. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.